All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Nissan Frontier. It is the SV V4x4 model. White with the beautiful gray cloth interior. Premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera, alloy wheels. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage, only 11,000 miles on this vehicle. Front bumper looks fantastic. Does have a heavy scratch here, which has been touched up about 5 inches. Hood looks good. Front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread. It's just under 730 seconds. We're going to double check that. That's right. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Nice shot of your roof for what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle. Does come with 2 keys. One valet key and 1 master key. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your 4x4 action. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for your airbag light. And there's your mileage of 11,074 miles. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. I don't see no dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. This is, of course, what your cargo area looks like. Very nice. Boom. Looks good. Oh, got a tow hitch there as well. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Quarter or bedside looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, or rips looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And tire thread just under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Things are rolling. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Nissan Frontier SV 4x4 model with the 11,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.